Draft tube and cavitation.
Tube and its types. Draft tube is a device which connects the turbine outlet with the tail race. So this red color part is draft tube, and draft tube said this gradually increasing area means its area continuously increasing. Definition of draft tube. The draft tube is a pipe gradually increasing area which connects the outlet of the runner to the tail race. Draft tube which have a gradually increasing area. Cross sectional is circular. It means is look like a frustum cone. At the inlet of the draft tube, water coming out from the turbines is supplied to draft tube, which have a higher kinetic energy and less than atmospheric pressure. There are mainly four types of draft tubes. First, conical draft tube. This type of draft tubes consists of a conical diffuser with half angle generally less than equal to 10 degree to prevent flow separation. It is usually employed for a low specification vertical shaft Francis turbine. Efficiency of this type draft tube is 90%. Second type is simple elbow type draft tubes. It consists of a extend elbow type tube generally used when turbine has to be placed close the tail race. Third type is elbow with varying cross sectional. It is similar to the bend draft tube. Fourth part is modest bending draft tube. This is a modification of conical tube and a solid conical cone provided in a center of tube with the flower at the bottom end.
What is cavitation? Rapid formation and collapse
Fourth
of
part is
vapor
modest
bubbles
bending draft
within
tube.
liquid.
This is a modification of conical tube and a
Such
solid
cavitation
conical cone
bubbles occurs
provided in
mainly
a
when
center
the
of
static
tube
pressure
with
becomes
the
smaller
flower
than the
at the
liquid's
bottom
vapor
end.
pressure. Types of cavitation. There are two types of cavitation: vapor cavitation and gaseous cavitation. Let's see the types of cavitation in details. First, vapor cavitation. Vapor cavitation is an ebullition process that takes place if the bubble grows explosively in an unbounded manner as liquid rapidly changes into vapor. This situation occurs when the pressure level goes below the vapor pressure of the liquid. 2. Gaseous cavitation. Gaseous cavitation is a diffusion process that occurs whenever the pressure falls below the saturation pressure of the non-condensable gas dissolved in the liquid. While vaporous cavitation is extremely rapid, occurring in microseconds, gaseous cavitation is much slower. Effects of cavitation. As a result of cavitation, one or a combination of the following symptoms or effects can be generated. First, unexpected vibration. Second, decreased or reduced flow or pressure. Third, erosion of the impeller. Fourth, seal and bearing failure. Fifth, erratic power consumption. 6. Noise. Let's see the how to prevent cavitation. An obvious way to guarantee that there will be no cavitation is to restrict the void or bubble generation. This can be done in various ways like lowering the pump speed, raise the liquid level to increase the NPSH so that lower pressure scenario does not occur, lowering the operating temperature, reduction of pump motor RPM, using a booster pump to feed the principal pump, increasing the impeller diameter, selecting the impeller inlet geometry that ensures no vapor formation, using two lower capacity pumps in parallel, installation of an impeller inducer